There's something about quiet crafting that feels like therapy. No rushing, no pressure, just your hands, your tools, and an idea slowly coming to life. Today's project started in the simplest way: a walk through Dollar Tree and a gift bag that almost got ignored. But something about the design stopped me, and that's when I knew this wasn't just wrapping paper. This was wall decor waiting to happen. So grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's create together. I picked up 4 small 4x4 picture frames, the ones without the backing, just the open space for a photo. Simple, plain, nothing fancy. And sometimes, those are the best ones. Before cutting anything, I laid the frames directly onto the gift bag. I wanted the pattern to flow, not random, not rushed, but intentional. Because small details matter, especially when you're working with simple materials. Once everything was lined up, I carefully marked the section of the gift bag that would cover all 4 frames. This part is quiet work. Slow hands, sharp scissors, and patience. I cut out the full section first, then trimmed each piece individually so it would fit perfectly inside its frame. No forcing, no rushing, just letting the paper tell me where it wanted to go. Now comes one of my favorite steps. I grabbed my glue gun and added hot glue carefully around the inner edges of each frame. Not too much, just enough to hold the picture securely. Then, one by one, I pressed the paper into place. And this is the moment when the project starts to whisper, "I'm becoming something." Even before everything is assembled, you can already feel the transformation. To turn these frames into real wall decor, I needed them to act as one solid piece. So I removed the hangers and reached for my Gorilla Glue. I glued all 4 frames together carefully, making sure everything was straight and aligned. Then I stepped away. Sometimes the hardest part of crafting is waiting. I let it dry for about 30 minutes, giving the glue time to fully set. Once everything was dry, I added cardboard to the bag for extra support. This step matters. It gives the piece strength, stability, and a more finished look. After that, I reattached the hanger directly to the cardboard backing, making sure it was secure and ready to hang. At this point, the project felt complete, but the best part was still coming. And just like that, our little Dollar Tree find has a brand new life. From a simple gift bag to a piece of wall decor that adds warmth, charm, and a cozy touch to the room. This is why I love DIY, because it's not about perfection, it's about creativity and seeing beauty in simple things. If this project inspired you, let me know in the comments where you would hang this piece in your home. And if you enjoy cozy, budget-friendly DIYs like this one, don't forget to like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next project. Thank you for spending this time crafting with me. Until next time, stay cozy and keep creating.